welcome back. This is Sierra. And the little man.
Hi.
Where are we, little man?
Disneyland.
Disneyland?
Yeah.
Yes. Are you happy today?
Yeah.
Yeah. So as little man said, we are currently at Disneyland, specifically at Disneyland Paris, and it's really sunny. Maybe if I go this way, it'll be better. Although we're currently standing in the line for Hyperspace Mountain, which is Space Mountain, but a little bit different. Don't know how it's different, but it's pretty much the same thing, I'm guessing. We were here a couple of days ago, so this is technically our second Disney day. What I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the footage from when we were in Disneyland on Friday, and we're gonna put it in this video as well. So you're gonna see a little bit of it yesterday, so if we're wearing different outfits, that's why. But yeah, we're ready for Space Mountain and super excited.
Yeah. Oh.
Are you big enough? Go ahead.
By far.
You're definitely big enough. You're big enough, yeah. Think about that.
Awesome!
Yeah! Oh my gosh, you guys. So we just got into the Disney park. I hope you guys can hear me. But we got here just in time for the 30th anniversary cavalcade parade thing, which is really cool. So very excited about that. And now we're gonna go find a ride and some food. It's been a couple of hours since I last saw you, and now we are here hanging out, getting a little bit of early dinner, late lunch. I don't know, we'll probably eat again before we leave. It's called Puente del Oro. It's right across from Big Thunder Mountain, and they have a couple of vegan items on the menu. They have a vegan salad, which we didn't get. It looks really nice. We just needed this for the mood of salad because it's so yucky and cold today. And we also got some vegan burritos. I don't know if you guys can see that on the lighting, but And they look really, really good. I don't have my hopes up because the picture might actually be better than the food because Mexican food in Europe is not always great, but we're gonna give it a try. And then we also got some chips or French fries or frites or whatever we want to call them that are also vegan because they're just cooked in vegetable oil. So yeah, we're gonna enjoy. Mister's already going at it. How is it, Mister?
Oh, I have bitten into tortillas, but I couldn't tell you.
Okay, so tortilla flavored, got it. Let's go to the next bites. How are the chips? Yeah? What did you say? There's rice in the bread. Oh, okay, let's see.
Hi.
What do you have?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Cheers. Hey. Whoa. Totally see better through my camera lens. Okay, I'm coming. I'm scared. Can't see anything. I hear you.
Wait for Mom and me.
There's those boys.
Weird. It's so dark in here.
Yeah. There's Dad. Yeah.
Here.
It's right there.
In the sky.
So Mickey balloon up there. It's messing up the pirate's illusion. Why was the balloon up there? Someone doesn't want it. I would want it. You want a balloon?
Yeah.
I'll have to talk to your daddy about that one. I don't know if you're gonna get a balloon. Daddy said no. Why no?
You wouldn't get a balloon either.
Yeah, they are really wasteful. Thank you, Daddy, for being the bad guy this time.
Yeah. He's the bad guy.
Yeah. Which in some situations is probably good.
Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. Tu connais cette chanson, perroquet? Chante avec nous si le cœur t'en dit. I will love where our mummies and dads drink up and me heart is yo ho, a pirate's life for me. Raconte la piraterie et ses nombreuses et précieuses récompenses.
Hi.
Hi, what are you doing? Standing up there for what? Mm-hmm. Okay, let's go. Okay, go ahead. Can't take those boys anywhere. Hey there guys, it's been a while since I checked in with you. We are currently in the queue for the Haunted Mansion, or sorry, the Phantom Manor is what it's called in Disney Paris. And we were in the other day when we came in, but is it okay? And we were in the last time we were in the park, but I just wanted to talk about it a little bit more now that I've actually seen the entire queue line and had a chance to like kind of review it. It's a lot different than the one in Disney Tokyo and
Hi.
Disney. Oh my goodness, hi! Oh. You're standing, are you? Oh my goodness! Oh boy! Woo! Alright, go ahead. Anyways, I just want to give this one a little quick review because it is a lot different than the Disney Tokyo and the Disney Orlando ride. The inside is pretty much the same, but the outside is a lot different. In Disney Tokyo and Disney Orlando, the outside is kind of like a haunted mansion graveyard, but the Phantom Manor is has kind of a, I don't know, abandoned chateau type vibe. On the outside, there's really not a lot to look at. It's just kind of like an old chateau that no one has done anything to. And they've even gone as far as to not raking the leaves, so it really does look like it's abandoned, which could be laziness, could be cool, not really sure, but we'll see you guys inside. What you doing? You gonna look at the firework napkin? There, firework flowers, yeah. Hey guys, so I don't know if you can hear me or you can tell, but we are in a restaurant right now. The man is over here and Mr. has escaped for a little bathroom time. The restaurant we're sitting in right now is the Silver Spur Steakhouse, which I know you guys might be surprised because we're vegan, but there is a vegan option here. They have a set menu, so you can either have a starter and an entree, or you can have a starter, entree, and a dessert. We took the two because the dessert didn't sound that good. Maybe we'll change our minds later, I don't know. But the entree is just like a mixed green salad with a vinaigrette, and then the main is a Beyond skewer with grilled corn and a pile of vegetables, and it is hopefully going to be delicious. At least it was delicious on Instagram. So I'll show it to you guys when it gets here, but until then we're gonna drink some water and hang out and just have some family time.
Stars Speeder 1000s are piloted by the very best Class 3 droids, the most confident and confident pilots you'll ever meet.
Welcome aboard.
And the friendliest too.
Looks like we're ready for another on-time departure.
All Star Tours pilots are programmed to deliver you on time, every time. So when your plans call for intergalactic travel, call Star Tours.
This one speaks French.
Mais qu'est-ce que j'ai fait? Nous sommes perdus! Désactive le circuit des canons! Non, déconnecte-les tous!
It's been a while since I checked in with you, and you may notice it looks like I'm sitting on the floor because I am, in fact, sitting on the floor. We are currently trapped. Not really, I guess because we wanted to, but we're currently trapped in the Star Tours queue because apparently there's some kind of technical problem that they're going to fix quickly, but they didn't say how quickly. They said that if we stayed in the queue that we would be able to go in right away, so we're going to wait here for a little while, but I figured I would just kind of sit here and talk to you guys about like my overall thoughts about Disney Paris because I'm just sitting here anyway. So I have heard from other people that Disney Paris is not like the best Disney park. Some people have said it's kind of like the trash can of Disney parks, which I don't think it's the trash can of Disney parks, but I can definitely see where people would like it less. For example, the Disney Studios park is really small and kind of reminds me almost of like a really good county fair or like, I don't know, not a Disney park. Do you know what I mean? Like it's not as good, for lack of a term, as a Disney park. I don't know. We got through it in like just a few hours and we were out of stuff to do. But Disneyland Paris I feel like is pretty good, with the exception that I feel like a lot of the stuff breaks down. And I think we were riding the Haunted Mansion and the Pirates of the Caribbean. Both times we rode it today, it broke down or had like a little pause within our time that we were on it, and we just kind of sat there for a few minutes waiting. So that was kind of annoying, but overall it's been a pretty good experience. Oh hey, the queue, let's go, let's go. Get up, Dad, get up.
I know I've seen this bag before. Maybe it has a twin.
How's the weather out there? No need to answer, I don't really care. I don't get out that much.
This is Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, but in French. Blanche-Neige et Sept Nains? Something like that. I don't know. The name of the dwarves. That one's bashful. Hey, what are you doing? You're scooting? Scooting. Whatever makes you happy. What's up there? Oh, I think it's from a jet or an airplane. Come on, let's get down. No! Yeah, we gotta get Daddy. Oh boy. Oh yeah. So, we're in the queue for the Peter Pan's flight, which I'm interested to see if it's the same as Disney Orlando and Disney Tokyo, because I think the two other ones are almost the same, so it's interesting to find out. But we're having a pretty good time. It's about 9:15, so little man is getting a little bit overtired and squirrely, but he is determined to make it to those fireworks. So whether or not we hold him during the fireworks while he sleeps, or he actually watches them, is a question which we are not able to answer. But anyways, Mr. is not even paying attention, which is fine. So we're gonna check out this ride, maybe ride Dumbo, and now we're gonna ride Mr.'s favorite ride ever, the teacups. Are you happy? I think he likes the teacups almost as much as he likes Dumbo, which hopefully we'll get to do next.